Welcome. Today we will be looking at the organization of life. Let's quickly look at the objectives of this lesson. By the end of the lesson, we should be able to define the organizations of life, list and explain the levels of biological organization. Let's get into the lesson proper. Have you ever looked at a tree, or even a bird, and wondered, how are all these lives so perfectly organized? It's a question as old as time itself. And today, in just a few minutes, we will uncover the beautiful order behind the seeming chaos of life. The organization of life. This is a fundamental concept in biology that explains how living organisms are structured. From the smallest building blocks to complex systems. Levels of biological organization. Life is structured hierarchically, with each level building on the one below it. The levels are 1. The cell. All life starts with the cell. A single, tiny, miraculous structure. Cells are like the bricks of life. Alone, they are impressive, but together, they create everything we see around us. The body is made of trillions of these tiny units. Now imagine if one tiny cell in your body decided to take the day off. Luckily, your cells are incredibly hardworking, unlike some people we know. 2. Tissues. These are groups of similar cells, working together to perform a specific function. Cells don't just hang out alone. They team up to form tissues. There are 4 main types of tissues. The epithelial tissues, the connective tissues, the muscle tissues, and the nervous tissues. 3. Organs. These are structures made of tissues that work together to perform specific tasks. Examples are the heart, the lungs. Together, these tissues create organs. Now, picture your heart. It's a muscle. It has nerves. And it even has connective tissue to keep it all together. It is teamwork at its finest. 4. Systems. These are groups of organs that work together to perform complex functions. An example is the circulatory system. These organs join forces to form systems, each with a specific job. For instance, the circulatory system pumps blood. The skeletal system supports and shapes the body. And the nervous system controls the body's activities. Every system relies on the others to function. None of them can work alone. 5. Organism. When all the systems work together, you get a whole organism. That is, you and I, a dog, or even that houseplant behind the house you forgot to water. Organisms are the complete package, each adapting to its environment in incredible ways. From humans with opposable thumbs, to birds with hollow bones for flight. Evolution has optimized each species. Speaking of adaptations, do you notice how humans adapted to the use of smartphones? Evolution is amazing. 6. Ecosystems and beyond. Life doesn't stop with organisms. Organisms interact to form populations. Populations form communities. And communities combine with their environment to create ecosystems. Life is interconnected on every level. 7. The biosphere. Finally, the highest level of organization. The biosphere. It is all the ecosystems of Earth combined. From the deepest oceans to the tallest mountains. Every living thing is a part of this global system. And guess what? You're not just living in it. You are shaping it. So, the next time you plant a tree, give yourself a high five. You are a biosphere influencer. From cells to the biosphere, life is organized in complex and simple ways. We have come to the end of today's lesson. Let's attempt some classwork. 1. What is the highest level of organization of life? 2. List all the organizations of life. Now, let's recap what we learnt. Today, we were able to define the organizations of life. List and explain the levels of biological organization. Well done, champ. You have done amazingly well. Thank you for watching. See you pretty soon.